Ever thought about forming an LLC in Ohio without an attorney? It might sound daunting, but it can be done. This video is your roadmap, guiding you step by step through the process, from naming your LLC to maintaining records and everything in between. We'll be covering the essentials, like designating a registered agent, filing your articles of organization, and obtaining an employer identification number. So buckle up, sit tight, and enjoy the journey. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the process. First things first, you need a unique name for your LLC. So, what's in a name? Well, when it comes to your LLC, quite a lot. It's not just a title, it's your business's identity. It's what sets you apart. But it's not just about creativity. In Ohio, your LLC name must be distinctive, not deceptively similar to any existing businesses, and end with LLC or Limited Liability Company. Check its availability using the Ohio Secretary of State's business name database. Once you've secured a name, you're ready for the next step. Next, you'll need to designate a registered agent and file your articles of organization. Now, who is a registered agent? This is an individual or service with a physical address in Ohio who can receive legal documents on behalf of your LLC. It can be someone within the company or a third-party service. Once you've selected your registered agent, it's time to file your articles of organization. This is a form you can obtain from the Ohio Secretary of State's website. It's fundamental to provide essential information like the LLC name, registered agent details, and the principal office address. After you've filled out the form, you can submit it online through the Ohio Secretary of State's business portal. Keep in mind there's a filing fee associated with this step, which you'll need to pay upon submission. And there you have it. With that done, you're halfway through the process. Now, it's time to establish your operating agreement and apply for an EIN. Operating agreements, while not legally required in Ohio, are a valuable tool for defining the internal workings of your LLC. This document serves as a blueprint for your business, outlining the roles, responsibilities, and ownership percentages of members. It's like a guidebook, helping everyone involved understand their duties and rights. Next, let's talk about the Employer Identification Number, or EIN. This unique identifier issued by the IRS is essential for tax purposes and for opening a business bank account. Think of it as the social security number for your business. Applying for an EIN is straightforward and free. You can get your EIN online directly from the IRS website in minutes. Following these steps, you're not just creating a business, you're creating a structure that will guide your operations and ensure you're recognized as a legitimate entity in the eyes of the law. With these steps completed, your LLC is starting to take shape. There are a few more steps to complete before your LLC is fully established. One of the essential tasks is obtaining any required business licenses and permits. These can vary based on your business activities, and you may need them at the federal, state, or local level. Next up are the ongoing requirements like annual reports and fees. It's important to stay informed about your tax obligations and deadlines to keep your LLC in good standing. Opening a business bank account using your EIN in the name of the LLC is another important step. This helps to keep your business and personal finances separate, which is crucial for legal and tax purposes. While it's possible to form an LLC without an attorney, if your situation is complex or you have specific legal concerns, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. Lastly, maintain thorough records of your LLC's activities, including financial transactions, contracts, and important documents. Congratulations! You now know how to form an LLC in Ohio without an attorney. Remember, this is a general guide, so always check with the Ohio Secretary of State's office for the most up-to-date information.